Hey everybody, welcome back to CIY Reviews. Today I will be making my homemade version of Jersey's Mike Peppered Relish. Yes, y'all. Now, you know, if you watch my channel, I did a review not too long ago on their sub. However, I didn't know about the peppered relish until after the fact, after I dropped that video. But then I did another video, if you've seen it, I had like a pre-packaged Italian sub and they had the pepper relish, and I tried it. So if you didn't see it, after you watch this, then head on over there. I watched the other one too. I decided, let me make my own. Now I still haven't tried Jersey Mike. However, I did try the other one, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna do my version. Now this is sweet peppers. Like, I'm pretty sure this is not the ingredients. A lot of them is not what they use, other people use, and I really don't care. This is my version. However, it's still sweet and peppered and relished. I only use one red one, a little onion, and I diced it and then I sauteed it. That's what you see right here. Right here is some small tomatoes that I cut up. Now, I was gonna make something like something else, and I used a whole bunch of seasonings. However, I took the seasonings out, but it still had like the leftover of the seasoning. So I put the tomatoes in here and like rubbed it around so it got that flavor. So you might want to know some of the ingredients. So in my food processor, I'm going to take some of my pickles, just put some in there. Put like another little forkful. Ain't forget about you. Going right in there too. So I'm going to take some of my red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon. Put in there. Good. Okay, I didn't realize it cut off. I put half a teaspoon of the brown sugar, put a capful of vinegar, and I put a capful of the Worcestershire sauce. So that's all I have in here so far. You can see with the pickles. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my sauteed onions and pepper back in here. Then I'm going to also put in my tomatoes. I don't know, this is probably like 4 or 5. And I just chopped it up. Alright, I'm going to blitz it a few times. So it can still be chunky, but not too much. And then I'll get back with y'all, Lord's will. Okay, I blitzed it up. I'm going to put it back in here. That part did like 3 times. This is how it look, y'all. Yes. Still got a little water in there, but not too much. You don't want it to be like too much water. These tomatoes is still a little bit chunky. If you want it smaller, you can take it out and then blitz it up separately. But I think I'm okay. I'm okay with that. If it's too much juice for you, you could put it in a strainer. And I might do that with some of, and it is more juice than I would like. So just a teaspoon of juice, but that's cool. Okay, if you still want a little bit more juice taken out, you can go ahead and strain it a little bit more. Alright, so I'm gonna taste a little bit, make sure. It looked like it. Oh, the sandwich you eat it on. That's pretty good. I would say I'm definitely the sweet, but am I getting? Yeah, I'm getting heat too. Yep. This is good. It's still like a slight crunch. I'm trying to see what that's from. It might be from the pickles. This is good though. Not too sweet and not too spicy. Like with the spice, some people might want it. There's a little bit more spicy. You can put a little bit more pepper flakes, but as far as me, it's good. I'm still gonna put it in the refrigerator to let it see if it's gonna change its taste, get like more, I don't know, stronger the flavor, but it's good right how it is now. Here you have it. I'm gonna wrap it up and put it in the fridge, but you don't have to. Like I said, it's already ready to go right now. Stay ready so you ain't gotta get ready. And that's it right there, babe. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.
A few moments later.
I thought I was. Let me show you what I'm putting that on. Yeah, you see it. I got that sub for you. Well, for me.